Thailand, what a place. What a fucking place. I even saw my first puffer fish. You know what I mean? I ain't getting recognised, it's embarrassing, man. Yeah, fuck that. I'm riding, mate. Spies ain't asking me for selfies. No, no thank you, no I don't want a fucking massage, mate, fuck's sake, man. And get up to some more shenanigans! Right, so here we are. He's doing good, man. I don't know what I'm really letting myself in for. Yes, mate. I've never even spoke to him. Fucking, that's what I mean by lawless, mate. And already I know where I'm gonna go and I can't wait to get there. It's gonna be fucking filth, mate. Good afternoon, me babbers. Yeah, that's right. It is 2:30 and already I've had a fucking banging morning and my shenanigans ain't over yet, mate. So, plan of action is to get on my tangerine and have some more fucking fun, mate. I won't reveal what I'm gonna do. You have to wait and see. So cut to the intro. Right, screw the intro, mate. Let's crack on. I have got my 360 camera linked up to my bike. And I've also got an external mic pinged to my chest. The reason why is I want to film how crazy it is out in fucking the continent of Asia, man. These roads are like roads I've never seen before and it's just fucking carnage. I need to show you it, so hopefully when I rig this up you can hear me clearly because I'm going to narrate the whole journey. If you're not enjoying this bit, just skip forward. And already I know where I'm going to go and I can't wait to get there. It's going to be fucking filth, mate. Right, 360 cameras on, mic is linked up. I'm hoping you can hear me. So I'm going to narrate this journey. We're heading to Patong Beach. And I'm going to make a pit stop because I've been meaning to go to this place for a while. And it is currently 20 to 3 in the afternoon, I think. And I thought, fuck it. I'm going to go there now. 10 seconds to go and I get through. And I've made it. Yeah, you'll notice the traffic lights out here. Got timers on, which is nice. I'm going to head right down to the very end. I'm going to jump that red light. I'm going to head right down to the end. The timer is at 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm going to head right down to the end of Patong Beach. And then drive up back. And then go to that place I want to go to. Yeah, my microphone's here. Camera's here. It's 360 so I can pan around wherever the fuck I want. I'm on the road where my hotel is. It's just behind me. The streets of Carnage. We got 100 seconds to go till we can pull away. It's a lot worse in the mornings and on the evenings when it's rush hour. Topped up with sun lotion. Thought I lost my sunglasses a minute ago. Turns out there's on my fucking face, wouldn't they? I'm looking golden brown, but I bet if I took my sunglasses on, I'll look pasty. 77 seconds. Right, so like I said, I plan to go all the way forward. There's a roundabout or a cheeky little right-hand turn and then head along Patong Beach. But you can see how chaotic it is. That bloke just ran a red light, man. 60 seconds to go. She's cute on my left. She's fucking cute over there as well. Fuck me. 38 seconds. Noel, mate, on his phone. Go around a bend. Look at it. It's fucking crazy, mate. Like, never seen anything like this in my life. 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds, here we go then. I'm front of the line, can I stay that way? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuck yeah, here we go. This is how dodgy it is. fucking lawless, mate. I like it. Suits me. Never club taxi up front. Yet to use one of those. I haven't had the fucking chance, mate. Been so busy on this trip. You can see how easy it is to have a head-on collision. I've only got myself to blame if I have one though, innit? Fuck about. At least I got a helmet on, they fucking ain't. Fuck's sake, man. Or just get hurt. They'd get seriously hurt. Come on, mate. It's bad, innit? It's fucking bad, mate. Yeah, you got to be so vigilant when being on a bike. A lot more vigilant than being in a car. I wouldn't want to drive a car in this country, to be fair. No fucking way. That was dodgy, unacceptable, but it's alright. It's considered okay in this location. Fucking hundreds of bikes, just hundreds of bikes to my left, man. Yeah, boy! Bikes ain't even transportation to me, man. It's just fucking... It's just an excursion, man. I love them. But yeah, hopefully this comes out on camera. If you look up now, look at the electrical infrastructure. It's just fucking nuts, mate. It's a fucking mess. It's a shambles. I wouldn't want to be an electrician in this company. In this country. Again, if you're getting bored at this point, fuck, you're just gorgeous women everywhere, man. I got a fetish for Asian women now, Jesus. Yeah, if you're getting bored, mate, just skip through. Don't miss this video. We're gonna get up to some proper naughtiness now. I wasn't gonna do it today, but oh, mate, fuck it, it's getting done. Look how unique this place is. Never seen anything like it ever. I'm definitely a fan of Asia, that's for sure. If you can't hear me, I'll be doing a voiceover. Because it'll be a bit boring to watch if I ain't narrating. They drive on the left in this country, if you haven't realised already. So the rules apply at the roundabout. I discovered, I went down there, oh fuck's sake, no, I was supposed to go down there. This is where I fucked up earlier. So I'll do a cheeky little U-E. When I get the chance. As soon as I get the chance, mate, you can't mess around, here we go. Yeah, so I fucked up earlier, right? That roundabout, I was supposed to go right. And I went straight ahead and I just made the same mistake again, never mind. Beautiful little roundabout. Look at these streets, man, so unique. Blue skies, palm trees. Terrible electrical infrastructure, but it works. Right, we're approaching Patong Beach now. It's just up ahead. And it's just so chaotic, mate. It is round there. It's just how it is. It's just their culture. Got a cluster right here, and this beach covers the entire length of my left hand side. Stunning views, but it's just blocked off by all the chaos. So, if I remember rightly, where I need to be is on this road, is in front of me. Just your typical shops. I'm going to go shopping at some point. I'm not one for clothing shopping at home. If I do it, it's online, and annoyingly you can't get your size, and if it don't fit I don't send it back, I just fuck it off. So I waste a lot of money shopping online, so I'll definitely take advantage of shopping in Phuket. Woohoo! 30 degrees, mate, and it is just t-shirt and shorts weather. It's gorgeous. Loads of bars and restaurants to my right, the beach to my left, and a handsome bastard right in front of you. Unique sign there on the left, Patong Beach. Whoa, fuck me, I'm surprised he stopped at that fucking zebra crossing. That's why you got to be so vigilant, man. People don't stop, because he did, I had to fucking brake behind him. Right, the place should just be up here on my right. I'm going to try and get some footage with this same camera, but we will find out. Fuck knows where I can park, is this it? Fuck yeah, this is it. Right, let's park up and let's have a crack at this shit. No parking. Alright, I won't park there then. Right, there's no parking everywhere, so let me try and find somewhere to park. Let me go check it out. Dang. Right, so these red and white curbs you see, that means no parking. Fuck it, here we go. Let's whack it here. If I can fit. Gonna fit? Nah, it ain't gonna fit. Right. Might have a bit of a walk ahead of me. So overwhelming, man. There's so much going on. Gorgeous women everywhere. Right, fuck it. It's a bike park here, that'll do. Anywhere to fucking park it? Nope. There's another one in front. Come on, anywhere to fucking park? Right, so what they say here, yeah, see in front, look? They just say park anywhere. Just don't leave your steering lock on, so I'm gonna do just that. Just fucking chuck it here, and if people want to move it, they can move it. Right, we're on the main strip, Patong Beach. Beach is just behind me here, and as you can see, there's bikes everywhere. I've just tucked the tangerine right here. They say you can park wherever you want, just don't keep the steering lock on, which I haven't. So if they need to move it, they can move it. And I'm gonna head that way. Just gotta remember where I kept my bike. Outside James and Joyce. That's where I've parked it. I'm getting excited, man. I'm hoping I can get this on camera. I ain't really fussed if I don't, to be fair. It'd be nice for you to watch, but it'd just be sick for me to do regardless of whether it's on camera or fucking not. I've done it twice before in the same location. Oh, where off? Again, it slipped my mind. I forgot where I'd done it, but I done it and it was that sick. I did it again, mate. I think it's quite pricey, rightfully so, mate. It's a wicked bit of kit, so I'm happy to pay the money. Cross, yeah, naughty man. Right, it's a short walk up here. Cheers, mate. Short walk up here. I've never even spoke to him. Fucking, that's what I mean by lawless, mate. No fucks given. Right, yeah, I've been here to check it out, and what I should have done is ask the price and asked if I had to book or anything, but I didn't, so I didn't know what I'm really letting myself in for. If I got a book, fuck it, I'll use this opportunity to book, and then come back when my slot is available. Geezer here just sat in the shade, selling hats and sunglasses. How we doing, man, you right? Lovely bit of merch. Regardless of what it says on paper, this is definitely, you right, mate? I ain't getting recognised, it's embarrassing, man. Spies ain't asking me for selfies. Jesus. Anyway, yeah, despite what it says on paper, this is definitely the hottest day. I can feel it's the hottest fucking day. What's my tan saying? Yeah, looking fucking naughty, man. I'll give it that. I won't find out until I take my watch off. Right, so here we are. Let's hopefully there's not a queue. Should be nice and cool. But this is what I'm doing. He's doing good, man. Yeah, I wouldn't have guessed that's his first time. Yes, mate. Yeah, this is Sim 6, so I'm going to try and set up my 360 camera somewhere so I can film it. And I'll chat to this geezer now and see what the score is. Just chatted to a random geezer asking if he was a member of staff, and he wasn't. They're in here. Ugh. Right, obviously, yeah. Cool as fuck surf shop. Fucking behave, innit? Sick, mate. Right. Hopefully I can set up my camera. If not, that's what I'm doing. You can get photos out. Could do that. Probably got it for the previous time I've done it, so never mind. Not too fast. It's about doing it, innit? Not fucking getting it on camera. Yeah, so this is how they teach you. They get you on a bit of rope to start with, so you're familiar. They usually teach you to get on your belly first, to be fair. See that guy on the left? That's where I plan to sit my camera and just push record and let it run. Don't know how long I do it for. Find out now. But yeah, they teach you on a rope so you get your balance. She's done good. And then, yeah, away you go. Teach you to do 360s and shit. She's done well. What a clever piece of kit, mind, isn't it? Guaranteed surf day every day. She's doing very well. Oh, she didn't bump down, but she fell off. Right, so they've switched it off. There's two in front. So it might not be a long wait, but I'm going to go for the 30-minute sesh. Hello! 30 minutes, please. 1300. I'll give you 1300, that's cool.
This is liability. You need to decide before you start.
In case I get hurt and all that. In case I fucking drown. Right, waiver signed, paid for. Just got to take off my watch, my sunglasses, socks and shoes, and then you heard what we're doing. So, right, you got 1 hour. Hey, he's fell straight off. We're going in. Right, I had all intentions in doing a voiceover during this entire segment of surfing, but I've been editing for 6 hours now. It's now gone midnight and I'm absolutely exhausted, so I'll just let the video speak for itself. If at any point you're getting fed up, feel free to skip through this segment and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you, please! And now this is me, attempt to number 1. One thing I will say is this is being recorded with my 360 action camera. If you're enjoying this footage, please let me know. And if you're not, again, please let me know, because the editing aspect behind 360 camera is just, is editing on another level, mate. It is very time consuming. So yeah, just let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this 360 aspect of the editing, and if you're not, again, let me know, and then I know not to waste my time in future. But here I go, looking as if I know what I'm doing. But any moment now, no doubt, I'll fucking fall straight off, and oh no, there I go already, look. Fuck's sake, man. Oh, enjoy. Let's go again. Mate, that was so fucking sick, man. I've worked up an appetite after that as well. So we're at this nice restaurant. I say restaurant, might just be a bar. But if I ain't gonna eat here, then I'm gonna go grab some food. I ain't got a fucking clue what she said there. But I basically bought a photo, which I'll show you now. And I think she said if I scan the QR code, I'd get them on my phone or some shit. But I thought that was the best out of a bad bunch. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, best out of a bad bunch that was. Anyway, I've worked up an appetite after doing that for an hour or so. We'll grab some food and get up to some more shenanigans. Right, and off I go, mate. Thank you. I'll definitely be coming back here again. So glad I fucking smashed it and managed to get some footage. Didn't do any food here, so yeah, let's hit the streets, hit the chaotic streets, and let's get some food. My bike's in that direction. Fuck knows where I parked it. But yeah, I think I got everything. I hope I got everything. So let's go grab some grub. No idea what my hair looks like, but I'm sure it looks sexy anyway. No, no thank you. No, I don't want a fucking massage, mate. For fuck's sake, man. Right, well, there's a McDonald's there. I don't want another McDonald's. I want some street food, some local cuisine. Street barbecue meat is what I'm fancying. No, thank you. Yeah, this boxing's really popular. It seems as if it's going on every fucking day of the week, mate. Because, yeah, they're always advertising it. So, yeah, it's a very popular thing. Look, there they go again. Advertising the boxing. Fucking 2 cars behind. Right, street food me up, baby! Oh, where we go? What's this place called? Enjoy Massage. Thai Massage Beauty. No? Okay, yeah, sorry girls, no worries. Well, they're the fittest out of all the massage parlours I've seen. They're definitely the fittest, and they're cute little outfits. So if I'm gonna get one, obviously it's gonna be the prettiest person I can get my hands on. Because it's me, innit? I'm shallow. What can I say? I'm only human. Hold on, let me pop in there. They got some nice twin sets by the look of it. Not today. Let's not go any shopping today, man. Never McDonald's, Burger King. Want some local cuisine, so. Right, let's walk in this direction. Can't believe how hot it is. Without a fucking doubt, hottest day since I've been here. How we doing, mate? You're right. Fuck's sake, man. I ain't being recognised, man. It's embarrassing. Fuck, Santa never won. Fucking hell. It's crazy. All the way out here in Thailand and they know me like. Jesus. Yeah, so when I go shopping, this is where I'm going to shop. Patong Beach. I'm going to try and cross the road. I've never actually been to this little area here. I've drove past it many times. There's a spoiler on the back of that taxi. No messing about. How we doing, mate? Yeah. Cool. Right, yeah, they got a classical. Is it there? Fuck knows. Yeah, this is okay. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it was what I thought it was. Patong Beach sign. Try and get a photo of that at some point. Fuck me, there's a paraglider there in the distance. They look like they're having issues. That don't look good. I don't know, judging on that, I don't want to do it, mate. Look at that ain't normal. It's fucking dangling by his neck, isn't he? That's a photo right there. Right. Look at the bike scene, man. This just goes all the way down this beach, all the way along it. You know what? Fuck it. Let's get a McDonald's. Fuck's sake. I'm hungry. And there's somewhere I want to go, and it's 20 past 4. Oh, where are you? So yeah, let's not mess around. Let's just grab some food and go where I need to go. And get up to some more shenanigans when I get there. Right, I've decided on a Burger King. Nice aircon. And the burgers look juicy as fuck. Phone number? Scan? Skip for now. No, I've got fucking membership, mate. Right, sound. My cards worked in here, but none of my cards worked in McDonald's, which was massively concerning. Kind of want to sit in the sun, but it's right. I can take out. Fuck it. That's what happens when it arrives. I got dessert though, so that ain't gonna last long in that heat. It'll be fucking melted by the time I finish my fucking burger. Yes, mate. Check this out. The juiciest fucking burger. Onion rings. Banging dessert. Ice cold Coca-Cola. I'm gonna get this down me. I'm gonna get on my bike and then I'm gonna go head to that secret spot. So, cut to me and that secret location. Make sure I've got everything. Woo! Fucking hell, I am stuffed, mate. I mean, that burger alone filled me up, let alone the amount of onion rings I had. And the size of that fucking dessert, Jesus. Just smashed down that Coca-Cola. Heading towards the direction of my bike. Gorgeous little beach club there, mate. Kudo. Liking the sound of the vibes. Right, so I'm heading into the direction of my bike, and I'm debating. Bless her, she didn't want to be on camera. Heading towards the direction of my bike. And I don't know whether to just walk to the destination I want to get to or whether to ride. See how I feel when we get there. Probably just walk. Leave my fucking bike there, fuck it. I don't know, we'll see. Right by that location, I have that surf place. There's loads of surf shops in the area. Naturally. But that's not my style of clothing. So I'm going to go to the counterfeit stores. That's not usually my style, but I'm a chav. And it's all fucking chavvy shit. So, yeah, man. I've got another week on the island. So, at some point, I will be... Look, there's another tsunami hazard zone. Shit is all over the place. Anyway, I've got another week on the island. So at some point, I will do a spot of cheeky shopping. It's so chaotic on the fucking pavements, I'm forced to walk on the fucking roads, man. Right, my bike should just be up here. I don't know how far this spot is where I need to be, where I want to go. Yeah, they've moved my bike already. So, can you remember? Is that my bike? Ah, yeah, there's my bike. Yeah, so can you remember my bike? It's parked here. So someone's moved it now and put it there. Which is sweet. See, that's what I told you. Don't put the steering lock on because people move your bikes. So just, where there's so many bikes, you're just forced to box people in. So just box them in and then they'll move. This looks cool. Let's head up here. Have a look what this is a minute while we're passing. I'm still on Patong Beach. I dare say it's sacred, but can I walk up here? Looks as if I can. We'll have a look at it. Yeah, they seem to like their Buddhas. I don't understand the... Yeah, I don't know what to say really, because I don't understand Buddhas. Or the meaning behind that. Yeah, this is why I'm going to find that secret spot. I ain't fucking pitching up here and leaving my fucking stuff around. I've got a fucking 20 grand watch on me. I've got two £500 cameras on me. £200 trainers, £200 fucking sunglasses. You think I'm leaving all that on the beach while I go for a fucking snorkel? No thanks, mate. Fuck it, let's walk. What was it, 5 o'clock? Yeah, we're walking, man. Bikes galore, honestly. I know I keep saying this, but I just find this whole place so overwhelming. Just don't know where to fucking look. I do know where to look now, which is on my phone to find out how far I gotta go, because then I can get on my bike or decide to walk. Just get my phone out and have a look, man. Yeah, fuck that. I'm riding, mate. Fucking sod that. Let's get on the bike. Right, cut to me in a gorgeous location, loving life. Bang. No messing around. This is the spot I found the first day I arrived on this island. And it's the first time I'm going to get to experience it. And I just realised I just drove all that way without a fucking helmet on my head. So easily done. Anyway, it's a lot more quiet than as it was further back, as you saw. Fuck that. Gonna pitch up and hang out. And I would like to do a time lapse of the sunset. If I get the opportunity to, I will. Whee! But yeah, let's go down and check it out. Never a tsunami warning zone here. So if I feel an earthquake, I've got moments to pack up my shit and seek higher ground. How the fuck do we get down here though? Straight down these rocks by the look of it. Straight down there. It's almost as if they're fucking steps. Oh mate, that fucking heat. Definitely the hottest fucking day I've had since being here. And when I went back to the hotel earlier, because this is vlog 2 of 1 today, I still don't have a watch tan, which is fucking odd, considering I've been here for a week now. Right, yeah, let's go walk before I find myself a place to pitch up. Somewhere by the rocks, because that's where you find fish when you snorkel, is by all the rocks, mate. They're like places to hide. Ugh. Well, this is some interesting geological landscapage. Well, I'm not bragging or anything. It's fucking hot. Woo! Yep, I've decided. Going over there to pitch up. And that's my day. Getting in and out of the ocean as soon as I get too fucking sweaty. Get some cool snorkel footage. Oh my god! And then, yeah, stay here till sunset. I've actually smashed the back off today, mate. Whew. Thailand, what a place. What a fucking place. Yeah, I'm gonna pitch up over here. Nice and peaceful. Don't look like no thieves around. I mean, anyone could be a thief, to be fair, but it's peace and quiet, isn't it? If people want peace and quiet, they're peaceful people. And peaceful people don't steal. I hope. Till he comes back and his fucking shit's gone. Right. Yes, that's where I'm gonna snorkel. And this is gonna be my fucking bed, mate. Right, I've literally just arrived. Just put my shit down, and I'm not even going to hang out for 5 minutes. I'm getting straight in because it is fucking roasting me. What a spot. Been waiting all week for this. 7 days I've been here now. I finally get to have a beach day. Or a beach moment, right? Get to have a beach day. That is to come. Right, good news and bad news. Good news is, actually I'll give you the bad news is, the water's a bit murky. Good news is there is an insane abundance of tropical fish in there. Different species of aquatic wildlife is insane, mate. I even saw my first puffer fish. Tried chasing it down, but it was too fast for me, and it just disappeared within the fucking murky waters. So I've come to a decision, right? I'm gonna take this camera in. 360 is just sick, but I just can't be asked with the editing, mate. It's just another hoop I've got to jump through later on. And the water's murky. So I'm just going to take this in. I didn't even go far, mate, and I saw loads of fish. Loads of just insane species I've never seen in my life, in colours. So it's just fucking crazy, man. Love Thailand. Fucking love this place. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna fucking kip for a bit and probably nod off and have a little nap, I reckon. What's this? Fucking 5:20, mate. Whew. I did get some sleep yesterday though. Fuck me, I needed that. Right, getting back in, and I'm taking you lot with me. Let's go. Whoa. It's a bit murky at first, but give it a chance. We'll see some sick fish. Too much water in my goggles. That's incredible, man. Whew. That's how the fucking house there, isn't it? Jesus. Yeah, it's a shame it's murky, man, but wait, it is what it is. Let's keep going. Ooh. Right, Frank, chill. puffer fish right below me. Glad I saw that puffer fish. Oh. Glad I saw that puffer fish. And I got that on camera. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Oh, absolute paradise. Right, so the Australian lads I met yesterday have been in touch. A few of them is their last day tomorrow, so they're leaving. I said I plan to do, I'm not going to tell you, because that's a surprise, but I told them what I plan to do. They said they're going to a bar. I said, look, sun location, I plan to stay there till sunset, and then I could always meet up for them for a drink or two, or 3 or 4, we'll see what happens. But yeah, my plan is to stay there till sunset and fucking call it a day, mate. They're in their 20s, early 20s, and I'm in my late 30s, but yeah, it was nice for them to get in touch, and yeah, you might even see them in this vlog. We will find out. I gotta get back in, man. Fucking boiling. Right, I've been here an hour now. The sun's beginning to set. It's starting to get a hell of a lot cooler. And I'll be honest with you, I'm getting fucking tired, mate. Now, one of two things is about to happen. Either I'm gonna end this video here and record 3 vlogs in one day, because I'm gonna go meet up with the Australian lads. Or, if you don't see a video of me on a night out with the Australian lads, I've gone home and gone to bed. So I'm going to use this opportunity to cut to the outro.